What's going on, everyone? Today is February the 18th, 2023. Man, let's talk about Polygon or MATIC today, because what a couple of days the market can give you a whole lot of returns. You guys can see already on the price chart that we did a price prediction in Polygon MATIC on the 30th of January. You guys can see that our expectations was for the market to go up. Congratulations to those who was able to profit from the move. 15.75% from our video was had right here. The market came to our ultimate TP price on the 8th. Congratulations. Now, if we were to get out the market now, though, check this out, 35%. So either way it go, we won. So congratulations to you, to those who also predicted the same thing, because that is the name of the game, is to come in and profit. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, looking at the market here in MATIC, is simply identify the current trend. Okay, that's the first thing you always want to do when you come in to look at a price chart, is seeing what the market has accomplished. And we're seeing a very bullish move into the market in MATIC right now. So as I zoom out the chart, we need to try to gauge, looking at all of this price history over here to the left, to see where the next level of sellers are going to be. Okay, so we're going to lift this line up here and try to get an idea as to how high we suspect the market is going to go before we simply see more selling and price begins to go down. So I'm going to extend this over here because I want to use this as a reference point to gauge and see how high price can go. Now, we can actually see Polygon MATIC run to like $1.60 initially, get rejected and begin to come back down and test that trend line once again. So let's look at this on a longer term time first. You guys can see the last two 5-weekly price bars, even on this current one, that it's been an emphasis to move this market up in MATIC. So that's very good to see that on 5 weeks. Here it is on the 3-weekly chart as well. I'm still seeing some indication that price is bullish on the 3-weekly chart. Let's take a look at this on the 2 weeks. I definitely like the 2 weeks chart, but we want to give the market 8 days. So we still got 8 days and 10 hours left. So I'm not going to be relying upon what we're looking at now. We have to wait until we see the conclusion of these price bars before we have an actual idea as to what's really going on. Okay, so right now, even on this weekly price bar, it looks great now. But in the next day and 10 hours, this one weekly price bar can definitely look totally different. Okay, so generally, as of right now, the health of the market in Polygon is still great. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go ahead and continue to look forward to price in MATIC to continue to trend higher. Okay. Oh yeah, this last 3-day price bar right here, you guys can see it. Fantastic spread. Definitely a healthy move coming on into the market in MATIC there. Lets us know that the market is trying to go higher. So let's go ahead and do it. Look at that. These last two completed 2-day price bars. This is how you can tell that price is relatively strong. There's a lot of demand and people are really trying to move the market. When you see these type of price bars, that definitely tells you that market is trying to go somewhere. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this real quick in Polygon MATIC. Still suspect that there's some gas left over into the tank. Now, the thing I want to remind you though is that we're trading near highs, right? We've been on a great run into the market in MATIC. Rather than coming into this particular market right now today and buying, you may want to wait. Like, let the market come back down to a place of value that is more attractive. Okay, so even though I'm dropping a price prediction now in MATIC, that's only because I don't come in and do a video every day in Polygon MATIC. Okay, so rather than you actually coming in and buying it exactly today, let the market come down to $1.40, possibly even $1.32, because those are areas to where buyers are expected to show up. Okay, so but however, let's go ahead and get done with this. As long as the market in Polygon MATIC mainly holds above $1.23, maybe even $1.20, I will give the market enough room to run lower. And definitely I want price to hold the trend line though. So we're going to look for price in the MATIC at least to try to come through and hold trend. And that would definitely give us confirmation that this market is still bullish and that the idea is still for price to go higher. Now let's go do some price targets first. My first one's going to be relatively close. Let me go ahead and bring up the magnifying glass so you all can see it. It's going to be around $1.60. You guys can see that's 5 3/4% move right there, 5 3/4. We're going to look for $1.60. Okay, that's my first target. My second one's going to be all the way up here at this newest area of resistance which we've created, which is around 14.41. You guys can see it there, $1.73, maybe around like 75. And let's say that the overall market in MATIC continues to be bullish. My next area, my third target, is going to be up here towards $1.88, $1.85. Right there, 24% market move there. Okay, $1.88. So I am done. You guys can see as I zoom out this price chart how Polygon MATIC is not necessarily, trending this way. If you guys really wanted to have an understanding as to what people value the most, take a look at the chart. Okay, if you see a cryptocurrency going like this, continue to go lower and lower and lower and lower, that simply means that nobody's buying the project, that it has no credibility. But when you see a market like MATIC, you guys can see that there's been times to where the market was massively bullish. It came down, but it is still reclaiming a lot of that interest. Like, people are not letting go in Polygon MATIC. This kind of tells you that this has credibility, that people believe in this particular cryptocurrency and the things that they're trying to do, because this market in Polygon MATIC has seen since the beginning of the year a run up of 105% already. And looking at the chart from right now, it doesn't look like it's through. So there's a lot of people within Polygon MATIC that is coming in and they believe in this currency right now. So go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.